Welcome to Make Family History 7. Here we are at the family reunion on Lake Gaston, and I want to introduce you to my cousin Debbie, who found a part of our family history book that she would like to talk to you about.
Hey everybody. Well, I just want to say how special it is to have this book because I would not be able to do all this research, yet my dear cousin has put it all together for us to enjoy. So I found out what canoodling is today. So, we're Baltimoreans, and canoodling consisted of taking your best girl out on a canoe for a long leisurely cruise beneath the summer moon. It thrived in those wonderful carefree days before World War I, when life was slow and easy. Thank you, Sharon, for this beautiful book. Love it.
Thank you, Debbie.
I remember getting some of these pictures for a little presentation I did about Doug.
It's amazing.